Yo, greetings. What's up, YouTube? Yo, welcome to the breakdown with DJ Odyssey, and I'm DJ Odyssey, of course. And today, I don't want to waste time. I just want to go into an Afro house beat in the styles of Heavy K, something like Dr. Malinga will step on. Yeah, those type of sounds. So I just want to break it down. I've been working on this. As usual, I make something first so that I can come through and show you the steps and how I got to where I'm at. Please subscribe to my channel if it's your first time on this channel. I would really appreciate it if you really like show support by subscribing. And then I have a sample pack coming up soon. It consists of a folder with hip hop samples and another folder with amapiano and house samples. So basically you can actually make any sound from, when you have like Afro house, you can actually make amapiano, we can actually make Afro tech, you can make deep house, you can make those type of sounds. And then with hip hop, you can make any type of hip hop with those samples. So they're coming out end of May. I'll be having my sample pack out. And then now, so just to show you on this beat, I actually used the sounds from my sample pack. So without wasting time, let's break it down. So okay, with let me say, before I break down this, let me just play it for you first so that you can actually hear what it sounds like, and this is how the beat sounds like. Let's play this. Hold up. Yeah, man, as you can hear, it's a nice beat, very dope. Like I said, I used my sample pack, which is coming very soon, end of May. So now, without wasting time, let's break it down. So, the first thing would be the kick. This is how the kick sounds like in this track. It sounds like this. You just need something that's gonna have a bounce on it. So that's why I have that dope 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 in there. And the most important thing is this that gives it the rhythm of the song, and it sounds like that. And then you find some percussions, like this one is like a little hit, like a percussion hit that comes in, and then like in here, and you have another hit type of sound that comes here. Sounds like a snare, but it's kind of a hit. It's a snare with more sounds on it. And then I put like a little conga there, and then just to get that African feel into the song, and then another conga there at the end, and then boost it a little, and then again now another sound is the shaker. So this shaker is not a loop, so I just had to play the shaker in the same way that I played the clap at the top there. And then I'll show you another thing about the shaker is once you open the shaker, you come to this settings thingy on this feed. You just feed it a little so that it could have like that kind of a delay on it. Let me play you the shaker alone. Let me put this on pattern. Let me play the shaker alone like this. At first it sounds like the clap, and then you just feed this a little, and it will sound like that. And then another thing I added on top was another hit at the end there as well, so you can hear it sounds like a snare a little bit, and that's it. So then you have the drums sounding like this. Nice. And then the next pattern. So we get to the next pattern where I did like some kind of a feel, like, but it's not like but it's a feel. It sounds like this and it will be sounding this way. Sorry. So this will be this. Let's put it here. So I put two of them. So normally I would have to like maybe give them like a stereo feel. So again, now it sounds better with two. Each has their own part in the panning. And then the next thing I did was to make a fill. Right? So you can hear that. And then now let's get into the sounds. So I made a bass. The bass line, and I chose from DX10. I chose E flute, and I didn't change much into it. And it sounds like this. Let's get into it. And then I play the bass line like this. It's very easy, straightforward, and it sounds like. Very straightforward. The only thing I can say I've added on the bass is it goes through to this bass mix and then some distortion on the bass line. And then the next thing, the next thing I had to deal with, which was actually the first thing after the drums, it's a string, right? But the string goes straight and it sounds like this. that very simple. And then the next thing, what Afrohouse heavy K, we thought like a sound that sounds like marimba, you know. So I took marimba from Expand, and they sound like that. Those marimbas, Expand, I've mixed like two. Okay, well, this one is just one marimba. I thought I've mixed, I normally mix sound. So, but this one, I decided, okay, fine, let's just keep it as marimba here. And then the only thing that would be on marimba would be like the reverb and some delay on it. And then the next thing that I had to do was, I think these are the strings, the next strings, which are like chords, and I play them very simple. I did not complicate the chords this time. And they sound like what I did on Expand when I chose the string. I made sure that on the string the attack slower, and then I increase the release so that it can have a decay after it plays, and then that's why the spaces after the every note. And then even on this one, I did the same thing. See, the attacks very slow, and then it releases slow as well. Comes out late. And then another thing that I had to do on this, I created a sound, guys. I just had to create a sound like a synth sound with some percussive sounds, and then they sounded like this, Yeah, I know it sounds weird though, right? I know it sounds weird, but I wanted something that's percussive as well as like a little synth on it, and then that's hence the sound sounds like this. So it's three sounds. The other one, the first sound is on 0 transpose, and the next one is on the next octave high, and the last one is on the low octave high. So, and then the two sounds, I had to give them a stereo width as well. The other one on the left and the one on the right, and then we have a new sound. And then the next thing was a piano. I took a piano from Nexus. This concert piano, did nothing much to it, just a little reverb, and then I think I'm still gonna add a little delay from here, but I've added the delay and it sounds like this. I don't like how it hits too hard, and then so you don't want it to hit too hard, and then I like it the way it sounds now. And then this sums up the beat a little, not all of it. And then the next sounds were just audios. The first audio is a riser, but this tempo riser is a, what do you call this, a crash, but also has some kind of a decay after it. So it's kind of like one crash, they reversed it and then they put it on the other side again. And then the next audio was an impact. Impacts are famous on, it sounds like EDM, and then another impact. So this type of the next impact, I make sure that it comes on the bridge here, and then again you have to find maybe some white noise that will have to fill up on the, what you call this, it will fill up on the bridge, and then put some automation on it here on the bridge, and then you will have a nice bridge. and then it will then eventually go up and then go back into the chorus of the song. And then yeah, for me, that's the song, and I will leave you with it and I'll play it for you. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. It's not expensive, man. It's very free to subscribe to my channel. And the pack is coming again, May 29th, end of May basically, and it's gonna be free as well. So if you want to be the first to get the pack, yeah man, subscribe to my channel. You will know when the pack is out. Yeah, thank you very much. Let's just play the beat for you one last time, right? Peace out. Jesus.